Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to block people or person on X account. So you can open that person profile or you can open that person tweet. Now you see specific person tweet open, and then on top right with follow button you see three dots. So click on it. So this is first method to block person. So when we click on three dot, now you see multiple option and then you see block person. So click on it to block that person. Another way is to open that person profile. So we are in person profile on X account. On top right you see also three dots. So click on it and then you see block option. So click on it. Now you see block. They will able to see your public post but will no longer be able to engage with them. So click on block. Now you see you block this person. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.